Hello RE/MAX Action First agents. Today we're going to go over Transaction Desk and the function of uploading your documents to the checklist. When you log into this program, you have the ability to access every single transaction you've created. When you click on that transaction, this is your main dashboard, and there's one for every transaction. This dashboard has a customizable interface. Each of these boxes serves a different function, and you are able to add different functions or remove them. If you click on these dots here, these are the functions that are available to you. So if you'd like to see your forms automatically on the dashboard of your transactions, you will simply drag it and drop it. And there it is. If you do not want that, you can hit the X button here, and that will remove it. In order to access the checklist of each transaction, there are two different ways to do so. One way is clicking on this Go to Checklist from the checklist box. Again, if that box isn't there, you can simply add it right here by dragging and dropping. The next way to access your checklist is on the right side here. You have a column which also shows a lot of these same functions, and you can see right here it says checklist. If you do not see this column, it's hidden, but that's okay. You can click on these green stripes here to open it. This is a collapsible column, and you can access all the different parts pretty easily from it. So let's go to the checklist. This here is your checklist. This is a list of all the required docs. There are two different checklists. There is one for the listing side if you are the listing agent, and there's one for the sales side if you represent the buyers. You'll notice the checklist here, they have these little red M's. The M stands for mandatory. That is a doc that is required to close this file. Right here you can see we're looking at the listing checklist because it says listing all over the place. You will notice some of these checklist items do not have the M for mandatory, like your lead-based paint. Because it's not mandatory, it is only required depending on the date the structure was built. Now, if it is required, obviously put it there. I'm going to show you how to upload a document from your desktop straight to the checklist. Documents like your escrow receipts or things that have been signed by your clients on a piece of paper, scanned into your computer, and saved as a PDF will have to be uploaded this way. If it is a document that you had signed through the Authentisign portion of the program, they will be added a slightly different way because they're already in the program. So these are only documents that you need to upload from a PDF file that's not already in the program. So you'll find the spot in your checklist. Escrow receipt. Because your escrow receipt is not signed through the program, it is provided to you by the company that's holding the escrow, or the title company. That's one you'll need to upload this way. So you'll see here, this is the icon for upload. It's a blue box with an arrow. You'll click it, and you will drag and drop that file. And now it's uploaded to your checklist. One thing you'll notice, when you have an item that has a document uploaded to it, you will see that it is a blue color. Anything that does not have a document is gray. The nice thing about this is at a glance, you will be able to tell exactly what is missing and what is not missing. If you're not sure, and you think maybe you added the incorrect document, you can always click on it, and it'll show you what you uploaded. And this is your escrow receipt. So again, click the box, take the PDF file from the folder on your computer or your desktop, drag and drop. Very simple. And that's how you upload a document to the checklist. Thank you for watching this video.